big hotels were stopping in. They called them navvy huts. And the bugs and fleas that live in the bends, they're as big as coconuts. But on Saturday nights, when I get rare, I stand behind the door. Oh, and as they march out one by one, I'll bash them to the floor. I'm as strong as any lion, I was reared on eggs and ham. I'm a terror to all fighting men all around the Mickey Dam. I'm as strong as any lion, I was reared on eggs and ham.